Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we're going to look at rules of exponents and how to apply two rules of exponents. So first of all, what is an exponent? So if I write 4 to the power 5, this means 4 is multiplying with itself 5 times. If I write 10 cube, that means 10 is multiplying with itself 3 times. The, this 10 is called the base. So if I write 2 to the power 7, this 2 is called the base and the 7 is called the exponent. Hence the name, the rules of exponents. This is also called index form. Now we are going to be learning two rules today. One rule is I'll write down the rule over here and then we look at some examples. X to the power a into x to the power b is equal to x to the power a plus b. It is very important that these bases must be the same for us to apply this rule. So for example, if I have x to the power 5 times x to the power 7, I can write this as x to the power 12, x to the power 5 plus 7, which is x to the power 12. The second rule that we will cover today is if I have x to the power a divided by x to the power b, this is equal to x to the power a minus b. Again, this rule is applied frequently. So for example, if you have y to the power 20 over y to the power 4, common mistake is students write this as y to the power 5, which is wrong. This would be y to the power 20 minus 4, which is y to the power 16. Similarly, if you have a to the power 7 over a square, this would be a to the power 7 minus 2, which is a to the power 5. Now today we are just going to focus on these two rules, and now I'm going to show you more examples of these rules, worked examples. So look at this slide. 7a to the power 5 times 9a to the power 10. Please note that the numbers will multiply with each other. So over here, the 7 multiplies with the 9. The 7 multiplies with the 9, this becomes 63. And you add the powers of a to the power 5 and a to the power 10 because they have the same base. So this becomes a to the power 15. Minus 3 times, next example, minus 3y squared times minus 2y cubed. Minus 3 times minus 2 becomes 6. And y to the power square times y to the power 3 becomes y to the power 5. So this is coming from this rule. X to the power a times x to the power b is equal to x to the power a plus b. I hope this is clear. Next, we have an application of the division rule. So over here, x to the power a over x to the power b is equal to x to the power a minus b. So x to the power 9 over x cubed will be x to the power 9 minus 3, which is x to the power 6. If you have this example, 16a to the power 5 over 8 a to the power 4, divide the number by the number. So 16 over 8 becomes 2, and a to the power 5 minus 4, the powers will subtract, so this will become a to the power 1, which in algebra we write as just a. So if no power is written over a variable, then that means it has a power of 1. Last example, 30p to the power 10, q to the power 6. So this time two variables are appearing, p and q. So over 3 to the power 3 into p to the power 4 into q to the power 3. So divide the number by the number, divide 30 by 3, p to the power 10 minus 4. So you must subtract the powers of those variables which have the same base. So 10 minus 4 and q to the power 6 minus 3. This is what it simplifies. So I hope these first two rules have been clear to this video. So these are the two rules of indices which you've learned today, the multiplication and division rule. Hope you understood this. Thank you.